You ever wondered how companies show your latest order, latest login, latest transaction? This is where there is a critical SQL pattern, that is latest record per user. In this video, I'm just showing you why can't we use max function, and what is the disadvantage of using max function. Here I have created one simple table that is called orders. Create table orders. It has 3 columns: user ID, order date. Then I am inserting values 101, 101. These are user IDs, and 102, 102 are different user IDs. If you see in the right side output, you can see the table data. We have 2 user IDs. When I give select all, it is shown 2 user IDs and order date details and order ID details. Now, when we give select user ID, maximum of order date from orders group by user ID, what it is giving, it is simply giving the user ID details and the maximum of order date. But our intention is we need to have all the row details. How we will get? Here we got only 2 columns, user ID and maximum of order date. So here the point that we need to see here, this is where we see things that we go here, that is, you see select star, and we are selecting all. From inside of the subquery I have written select star comma row number. I have used row number over partition by the user ID, order by order date descending order as RN from orders, and I have given name for this, that is T, and I am selecting all from this where RN equal to 1. Now it gives complete row details. User ID 101, order ID is 2, order date is a latest order date, and RN is equal to 1. This is how in the real-time production we need to find the latest records.